In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add realistic handheld camera movement to our footage. This effect is useful when your footage looks too static and you want to simulate the feel of a handheld camera. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for camera shake. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the camera mode option. So Premiere Pro provides several presets that simulate different types of handheld camera motion. The first option is still. This creates very subtle movement, similar to holding a camera still but with slight natural motion. Next is one-handed. This simulates recording with one hand, which produces slightly stronger and less stable movement. Then you have slow walk. This preset creates gentle motion as if the camera operator is walking slowly while recording. And finally, fast walk. This produces stronger movement to simulate faster walking or more energetic handheld motion. When you switch between these presets, you'll notice that the corresponding motion values automatically change based on the selected preset. These presets simply adjust the shake settings for you. If you want more control, you can manually tweak the values to increase or decrease the shake intensity. This allows you to create exactly the kind of handheld movement that fits your footage. So play the clip and adjust the settings until the motion feels natural. And that's it. You've successfully added realistic handheld camera movement using the camera shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.